Oh, hello. All right. Welcome to my channel. Just want to do a quick video on DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. I know if you stumbled on my channel or if you follow me on social media, you kind of know I make videos of different stuff. I got stuff on YouTube about my home theater. Got stuff about my phone, home automation. I got stuff on guitar playing. And as you know, I am a CCNA certification through my school. So there's some stuff going on that I like to do. But this video, I would like to demonstrate a DHCP configuration, DHCP, on a router with a LAN. Not too difficult. Just want to kind of just throw that out there because I know some people follow me on social media about networking and Cisco and the technology and what I use. So without further ado, I use a program called a Packet Tracer. So I have this Packet Tracer up. Let me open it up here. And I'm not gonna talk about it too much, but it's just like a simulator, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just configure it so you can just see what I'm kind of talking about. Okay, so I'm just gonna put I'm gonna make two networks, and let me see, here we go. Let me just, I like putting S1, S2, kind of just make it more simpler, and R1. So this is a router, and these two are switches. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out some computers, and this will be a simple configuration. So I'll just have 3 computers on each LAN, so 6 computers all together as one. So while I connect these, I'm just going to go ahead and connect these computers up. So I'll talk about it real quick. So when you buy a computer or your laptop or a smartphone, anything that has an IP address, you notice how, you know, people go to people's houses and they say, oh, can I get your Wi-Fi, or can I have the password so I can connect to the internet? Well, you just give them a password and your phone starts working. Well, there's a lot of stuff that happens behind the scenes of that that happens. You know what happens here. So basically what happens is your computer, your router at your house, you have a home router. I don't have my routers downstairs, but the router at your house is configured with DHCP. So when you buy it from, or you don't even buy it, when you get it from like Verizon or Time Warner or Cox Cable, your router already has that configured on the router. So when you plug it in and you connect your computer, you know, it automatically connects to it, to a network. And these are private networks. Private networks cannot be routed on the internet, but that's a whole different other video. We'll talk about that way down the line. But anyways, I'm going to do some quick stuff here. So as you can see, I got it all connected here. This is just a LAN. So I want to put a note that this one is going to be 192.168.1.0/24. And this side is going to be 192.168.2.0/24. And you're probably saying, well, what's the 24? That is for the network engineer to make his subnet mask. And I'll talk about that later too, but that's the subnet mask. So you got the 1 network here and the 2 network here. And I'm going to go ahead and start configuring. As you can see on the router, you have FA00, FA01. 00 goes to the 1 network, 01 goes to the 2 network. So I'm going to go ahead and configure. and I always have I always like to do the host name and the security just out of habit. So okay, maybe that wasn't good. I forgot. You know, I hate when this happens, when the video, see right here it says domain server. So what happened was I wanted to put configure T, but it's supposed to be space T, configure space configure terminal. That's what it stands for. But I have the domain server on, so now it's searching the domain server for config T, and it doesn't know it because there's no such thing as that. So I have to wait here. So supposed to have some company today, but no one. Alright. Okay, here we go. So we put config T, alright, and host name. And I'll just name this R1. Enable secret class. And I'll put that no IP domain lookup because I cannot type right now. Give that a password. Line. That a password. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I'm sorry about that. So gonna do the 00 first. So we got interface FA0/0. Give that the IP address. I'm gonna give it a gateway and the subnet mask. That's that /25 I was talking about. No shut. If you notice, it went from red and now it's green up here. So, and you can see right here, the state is up. So there you go. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. FA0/1 and do an IP add. And no shut. And you can see here the state is up. Pretty simple. And now the final, the DHCP LAN 1 network. Oh, 255.0 and put the default gateway. Alright, and I don't know why I did that. IP DHCP and LAN 2 network 192.168.2.0 and the default gateway, default route. Alright. Okay, let me see the show. So I'm going to just do a quick verification here. So I just do a show IP. What am I? Can't type right now. Interface brief, and I can see here that there's the two interfaces that have the address. Oh, what's wrong with this computer? Hold on. I think I got the wrong cable on there. Okay, oh, there we go. Okay, so you can see that that the interfaces here, F00 has this address, and the F01 has this address, and you can see it's up. So you always want to see up. If you see administrative down, that means the interfaces are down, they're unassigned. So VLAN 1. I'm not going to get into VLANs, but that is it for this build. That should be DHCP. So I look on the PCs here, and I'll go ahead and see if it gets the IP address. Yep. So there you go, dynamic IP address. Let me see this one. Okay, got it. This one. Alright, got it. This one. And now you can see we're on the 2 network. That's on the other side. These networks are, there's 2 different networks, but they're on the same router, so the router knows what the network's about. And if you want, I could, you could put where this network can't talk to this network, but for now we're just going to see if we could go ahead and ping across the network. So I am on PC 5, I'm here, so I'm network 2. I want to ping network 1, so just ping, let's say .1. And I'll just see here, first it's doing an ARP, and let's see, ARP, and there we go, request is good. As you can see, replied from 2. Okay, let's try number 3. It's going to do an ARP, and it should work. There we go. Let's try from network 1. From network 1, let's try to go to 2 real quick. Ping 2.2. Let's see it. Let's see it happen. Come on. That's that ARP. There you go. Well, thanks for watching, and my next video I'll go ahead and